The wonders of the world have always fascinated people. Since ancient times, these wonders have been like gateways to a world of mystery and beauty, where people wonder how these amazing landmarks were built. For a long time, people have searched for amazing landmarks that are hard to explain. These wonders weren't just stone structures, they were symbols of what humans can do, showing we can achieve the impossible and push the limits of what we know. These landmarks inspire us with their awesomeness and tell us stories about great civilizations. Every stone and every carving holds a story about people who lived long ago and left their mark on history. The wonders of the world spark our imaginations and remind us of how creative people can be. They're not just tourist spots, they're places that make us want to learn and explore. They represent unique achievements and are a big part of our history. They encourage us to discover new things and add a touch of magic to our world. Each landmark is proof of human genius and our ability to make dreams come true. The wonders of the world show how skilled humans are. They represent the best of human creativity and show how people can overcome challenges to create something that lasts forever. They show our ability to build and improve, and they represent our artistic and architectural creativity. They are a great cultural legacy and express the history of different people and their civilizations. These wonders aren't just buildings, they're stories carved in stone. They inspire us to take care of these treasures for future generations and encourage us to explore more of the world's wonders. They remind us how important human heritage is. They're an open invitation to anyone who wants to understand the past and appreciate beauty. The wonders of the world are more than just buildings. They're symbols of history and culture. Each one holds lessons about creativity and innovation, and shows how people can leave a lasting impact. They represent unique achievements, express the development of civilizations, and inspire us to learn, think, and be creative. They open doors to a deeper understanding of the cultures that came before us, and show us how people can be creative anytime, anywhere. They're an important part of who we are and remind us to protect our heritage. They add a touch of magic to our world and inspire us to explore more. They're not just historical sites, they're part of the fabric of our daily lives. The wonders of the world are a window to the past. They show us how our ancestors lived and how they built these amazing landmarks that still amaze us today. They tell us stories about great civilizations, express the development of art and science, and show us how our ancestors lived and how they built these amazing landmarks. They're a journey through time, taking us to past eras and showing us how humanity has evolved over the centuries. They encourage us to understand our history and preserve our heritage. They inspire us to explore more of the world's wonders and remind us of the importance of human heritage. It's a call to think about what we can achieve if we're inspired by these wonders, and how we can leave a legacy for future generations. The list of the 7 wonders of the ancient world comes from the Hellenistic period, a time in history rich in culture and art. This list represents amazing architectural and artistic achievements, where people created incredible structures. It shows how skilled people were in ancient times. It inspires us to learn from the past, where we can get ideas from these great achievements. It encourages us to explore more of the world's wonders and reminds us of the importance of human heritage, which is a big part of our cultural identity. It adds a touch of magic to our world, as these wonders are a mix of beauty and history. One of these wonders is the Great Pyramid of Giza, the oldest of the 7 wonders, and the only one still standing today, making it a symbol of timelessness and human creativity. It shows how skilled the ancient Egyptians were at architecture. It inspires us to learn from the past, where we can explore ancient building techniques. It encourages us to explore more of the world's wonders and reminds us of the importance of human heritage, which helps us understand human history. It encourages us to explore more of the world's wonders, where we can learn about the stories of ancient civilizations. It reminds us of the importance of human heritage, which is a part of our shared history. The statue of Zeus at Olympia was an amazing work of art, expertly designed by artists. It was made of gold and ivory, which made it really shine, and it shows the god Zeus sitting on his throne, a sight that inspires awe and admiration. It was one of the most important religious sites in ancient Greece. It inspires us to learn from the past, where we can explore ancient religious art. It encourages us to explore more of the world's wonders, where we can learn about the influence of religion in ancient civilizations. It reminds us of the importance of human heritage, which is a part of our cultural history. The Temple of Artemis at Ephesus was one of the most amazing temples in the ancient world, expertly designed by engineers. It was an important religious center, attracting visitors from all over the world. It was surrounded by huge marble columns, and it represents an amazing architectural achievement. It inspires us to learn from the past, where we can explore ancient building techniques. It encourages us to explore more of the world's wonders, and reminds us of the importance of human heritage, which is a part of our shared history. Section 4. Preserving the wonders of the world requires a team effort and ongoing dedication to make sure these treasures last for generations to come. Section 5. Conclusion: A journey through time.